Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I want to show you how to cut out tray and Photoshop. So first open channel panel. From here, channels. Now take the blue layer and make a duplicate of it like this. Okay. Now go to the image, adjustments and levels. Select like this. Make the adjustments of the shadows and highlights like this. Okay. Now select the black color. Now paint on the dark areas. I'm selecting black color from here and I'm painting on the dark areas. Now select white color to whiten the area.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So guys, you can see. Okay, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.